of you know it already, but I'm just explaining. Good. So now all of you, I'm assuming you have learned numbers at school. Quickly use your fingers, use your typing. Quickly write the expanded form of these numbers. 25 in words. I want you to write this in words. 25, 625, 625. I want like that. 1225, 1225. So like that, I want all of you write in the chat box. Please write. I want to know whether you can write all this. Just keep on writing. Don't submit at the same time. Submit one after the other. 25, enter. 625, enter. Keep on doing like that. I'll see how many of you are doing it well. Come on. Punya, I'm not asking the expanded form of these numbers. I'm just asking you to write it in words. I want to see whether you understand that. I know you are writing expanded form. I can see Parvasha and Divya, you are saying expanded form of you. I'm not asking expanded form. I'm asking if you can write in words. I'm trying to solve two problems at the same time. I know, what you are trying to say is expanded form of few numbers. I'm not asking this question. That's not my question. Okay, let me remove that. I'm asking you to write in words. Fazil, tell me.
Sir, repeat question, please.
I'm asking, write the numbers in words. 25, 25, 600, 625. How do you write 625? 600, 25. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Like that, I'm asking you to write all the numbers in words. Very good. I can see I'm just checking everyone as I'm talking to you. Devansh, 1225. Very good. Divya, 25, 625. Very good. 8,75,120. Very good. 625. 1,225. Very good. 1,220. Good. Devansh says 9 crores, 83,215. Very good. So, why I'm asking you this is I just wanted to check if it is already done in school. I'm sure you understand how to solve this.
Where is chat box? I find chat box. There is no chat box.
You are using a phone or you are using a, what are you using, Fazil?
Microphone.
No.
Am I?
Okay, so what you can do is you can see on the left hand side of the phone,
Yes,
you can see a person's face. You click that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If you click that, you will see the messages. You can use the public message there, public chat. Are you able to see that? Okay, so I can see most of you are comfortable with this. So let me go further and explain this in detail. So we have Indian and international. Okay. Now let's take a big number. 9856321 Okay. So now let's look at the number system. We know this is a units place. It's a units place. Then we know this is tens place, right? This is your units place. This is your tens place. This is your hundreds place. This is your thousands place, right? And this is your 10,000s place. This is your lakh, your 10 lakh, and this is a crore. That's how we keep moving, right? So now, I want everyone in the class to understand how an Indian number system works, right? basically we use a system like this. Say, let's assume there's something called, we call it as units. One, just give me a second. So we have, say, let me take a number. Say, let me take a number like 123, right? Now, 123, when we have a number like 123, or let me write one after the other. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay. Let's start like this.
Indian numbers.
So we have a number 1. Okay, so we call it as 1. When we have a 2-digit number, let me take it as 21. So we call it as 21. Okay. Let me take 321. So we say 321. Right? So we say it is 321. Right? So when we have 4321, so what do we call it? We say 4,321. So when we have 54321, what do we call it? We say 54,321. Now when we have 654,321, after 54,000 we say 6,54,321. You just see what is happening, what the language is saying, it's changing. If you can see here, we said 54,000. That's how we say 54,000, right? We know 54,321. You can write that. Okay. Now when we have 6 lakhs, we start with saying that it is 6 lakhs, 54,000. I'm just not writing everything. I'm just trying to explain. Concentrate, right? Here we say 54,321, 54,000 here, 6 lakhs 54,321. Now when we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we call it as, we put a comma here, we put a comma here, we say 76 lakhs. So we say 76. Now, please concentrate. After 76 lakhs, if we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So do we say 876 lakhs? No, we don't say 876 lakhs. The moment we have more than 10 lakhs, we say it is 8 crores. We use the language 8 crores. Okay? So please concentrate how it is changing. So when we have 876, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we say 8 crores. Now when we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we call it as 98 lakhs. 98. So without E also you can write it. You can just write 90, right? So what I'm trying to say is, what we do is we have a system wherein we have a 4-pronged system. Basically, we have units, tens and hundreds, we call them as ones. Then we have 100. So then we have thousands. Then we have lakhs. Then we have crores, right? Now that's how our system works. Okay. So the Indian system starts with ones. In ones, please concentrate. What do you mean by ones? So we have 1. We call it as 1. We have 21. What do you mean by 21? You have 21 1 units. 321. You have 321 units. So basically you have ones. After we are done with this set, there is another set that starts, thousands set. So you have single thousand, we say 4,000. You have 54, we have 54. So in thousands, we have 2 sets of thousands, unit thousands and tens of thousands. You have unit thousands and you have tens of thousands. Once again, in lakhs also, you have unit lakh and you have 10 lakh. Then you get into crores. So that is the kind of system that we have in our number system. Dhruvi wants to say something. Yeah, Dhruvi, go ahead. Wonderful. Yeah, we'll come there. I'll explain it in the written form. That's what I'm trying to talk about. So now in our system, where I'll compare with Indian system with the international system. Now look here. In our Indian system, we have the same thing. Concentrate everyone here. In Indian system, in ones, we have ones, tens and hundreds. It's the same. So let's compare with the Indian system here. Indian system. So here it is same. Now in thousands, in Indian systems, we have only thousands and 10,000s. We have thousands, we have 10,000s. We don't have 100,000s. We don't have 100,000s in Indian system, right? So for example, the difference is very simple. Let me explain something like, let me take, okay, let's look at this. So how do we separate this in Indian system? We say this as 523, 1 comma here, 1 comma here. So basically it's 523. This is 76 lakhs. It is 8,76,523. That's what we say in Indian system. But in international system, the same number 876,523, they don't call it as 8 lakh. Instead, they call it as 876,000. So here it is not called 8,76,000. They say 876,000. So you need to understand the difference here. So in international system, it is the numbers separate like that. Are you with me? Are you able to follow what I'm trying to explain? Is everyone with me?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now, when we have, say in the international system, now let's understand international system. In this, so for example, if we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, they separate after every 3. You separate here, you separate here. So basically, it is 1,000. This is 4,000. This is 54,000. This is 654,000. The moment they move to this position, they call it as million. They call it as million. So very good, Dhruvi. Very good. Very good. So let me show this with a different approach now. Concentrate, everyone. Okay, look here now. 1 we know, 10 we know, 100 we know. So 1, 10, 100. I'll just skip this. Okay, I'll skip this. Then we have 1,000. Right? If we have 1,000, they also call it as 1,000 in international system. In 10,000, they call it 10,000. We also call it 10,000. Right? When we have more zeros like this, when we have 5 zeros, we say it as 1 lakh. In Indian system, we call it as 1 lakh. But the way they say is, it's not 1 lakh. They say 100,000. Right? So now, if there's one more zero coming in, right? Now, if there's one more zero coming in, they don't say 1,000,000. So here, the moment there are 6 zeros, they call it as 1 million. 1 million. So basically, 10 to the power of 6. What is this? I can write this as 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6 is 1 million for them. Now, 10 to the power of 7 will be 10 million. Basically, the way you write it is 10 million. That's how you write it. So when you have 10 to the power of 8, they call it as 100 million. 100 million. You can see the difference there. Now 10 to the power of 6 is called million. That is million. 10 to the power of 7 is 10 million. 10 to the power of 8 is 100 million. The moment we have 10 to the power of 9, so that means 10 to the power of 9 means what? It will become another 0. 1, double, triple 0, 3 zeros here, 3 zeros here. So from 100 million, if it becomes 1,000 million, they don't call it as 1,000 million, they call it as 1 billion. 1,000 million will be equal to 1 billion. I write it here, 1,000. The moment this becomes 1,000 million, 1,000 millions is equal to 1 billion. Understand this concept, very easy. It's 1 million, 10 million, 100 million is fine. The moment it becomes 1,000 million, they don't say 1,000 million, they call it as 1 billion. Then after that, it is 10 billions and 100 billions. Have you understood the international system? Just mention yes if you have understood. Otherwise, I can repeat whichever you have not understood.
Yes.
Sir, what is after 100 billion?
They have what is called trillion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, I forgot that it was trillion.
Yeah. So, but you need not know that. For your standard, you are okay if you know up till billion, 10 billions, 100 billions. The moment 100 billions becomes 1,000 billions, they call it as trillion. They call it as 1 trillion. Okay?
Sir, do you know what is after trillion?
Yeah. I know.
Sir, I know.
Good. You want to share?
Sir, I think it's quadrillion.
Okay. So do one thing. All of you go back home. Instead of seeking answers, try to look for answers. Good. Let's go further.